Hello everyone, today I would like to introduce a device to you. This equipment is called KDX4. KDX4 is a set of chip recognition, chip generation, chip copy programming, matching, and integration of professional locksmith equipment. Can be operated standalone, can also be connected to the tablet cell phone, PC software, a variety of free mode connection, equipment to use simple operation and stable performance. Coverage of a wide range of models below. Let's look at the device inside the... Now we see, this is the host of KDX4. Here we look at what accessories it has. Key unlocking cable. Programmer cable. Programmer adapter board. Two burner cables. Toyota connection cable. External acquisition antenna. USB cable. OBD connection cable. These are all the accessories of KDX4